All right, this video is going to show you how to use the calculator on your Chromebook to use the tangent function in figuring out the surface area of a regular polygon using the regular polygon formula. So when you get into your Chromebook, you may not have your calculator tool down here in your shelf, but if you click the little circle button and start typing calculator, the calculator tool should come up as one of the first options. And if you right click on that, you should be able to pin it to your shelf. I keep mine pinned down here because I use it pretty frequently. And when you open up your calculator tool, you should first make sure that you are working in degree mode and not in radians. So mine just came in radians by default. And if I click this light green little bar over here, I can switch that back to degrees. And this is also where I'm going to be finding my trig functions when I'm ready to use them here in a second. So the area formula for a regular polygon looks like this. And because I'm using a hexagon with 6 sides, I can replace n with the number 6. And because each side length is 2 inches, and that's a given for my problem, I can replace the s for side length with 2. So I'm going to have to work through this fraction sort of backwards here. I will start off with my 180 divided by 6. I find 30 for that. And now I will perform my tangent function on 30. And I can multiply that by 4 to get my denominator. Now, there's not really a memory storing option here, but I can copy this number because I'm going to need it again here in a moment. But that's my denominator. Now, switching focus to the numerator, I'm going to start off with my side length, 2 squared, times the number of sides, 6, equals a numerator of 24. And now I need to divide this by my denominator. So division, and then I will paste the denominator that I just grabbed from earlier, or you could copy it right now since it's still here in our history and paste it in there. And when I solve this, I find an area for my hexagon of 10.39 square inches.